Hello and welcome to the Blender Harvest. In this video, I'm going to continue with Extrude tool. If you wanted to extrude first of all, Extrude is, you can use Extrude for a face, press E to extrude, Control Z. You can use Extrude for edges, you can see, Control Z. You can use Extrude for an vertex. Select a vertex and extrude it. E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude. E is the hotkey for extrude. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to extrude a face in this tool. If you press extrude, for example, you can see an tool here. If you pull it, you can extrude the face. Click X, you can see you can see this face. If you wanted to extrude, for example, manifold, you can see there isn't any edges here. It's something like press go to somewhere. If you extrude it, extrude region, it makes another face. If you extrude manifold, it doesn't make a face. You can extrude along the normal. I wanted to show you here. If you extrude along the normal, it extrudes its normal. For example, you can see the normals, face normal. It's gonna extrude along the normals. You can see the normals here. For example, if I click this one, or this one, I don't know why. If I extrude along the normals, you can see it extrude along the normals. If you wanted to extrude individual, something happens different. You can see if you extrude individual, it extrudes each face individual along its normal. If you wanted to extrude many times, for example, like this, plus here. If you wanted to extrude like this, press Control, you can see it's gonna extrude many faces. You can do, you can use this for something you want it very quickly. You can see there isn't any internal face. It extrudes that face, make some side face and doesn't make inside face. It doesn't duplicate the face. And extrude is just here and Control Z. You can go to here and at the face you can see you can extrude along the normals, for example, from here too. If you click edges, I think you can extrude vertices or extrude edge. Sorry, it was extrude vertices. you can extrude this one. Yes, you can use this tool, or you can extrude from here. It's very useful tool, and usually if you make something, some design, you need to use it a lot, so it's very useful. Thanks for watching. That's all I wanted to show you for Extrude, and thanks for watching. If you like it, you think it is useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. See you at another video.